Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing about unitary method. That is your chapter 12. All right. We have already studied multiplication and division. So we'll be applying these two properties, division and multiplication, in this unitary method. When we talk about unitary method, you should understand that we are always trying to find out the price of one thing or the cost of one thing or weight of one thing, like that. Okay, so it may be different, the questions may be different, like find the cost of or find the weight of, like that. Okay, so we are always finding for one. Okay, because unitary method, see, unitary method, this means one. Okay, unitary means one single unit. That means, see, it's given here in the note also, when we mix the above operations, it is called unitary method. Here unit means one. It implies that we first find the price of unit, that means one, by division. So what we do here, we first apply division, then we find the price of many by multiplication. So just like I said before, we'll be utilizing this division and multiplication in this chapter. So let us look at this example. Suppose grapes are, it should be bananas, okay, not grapes, this should be bananas. So suppose bananas are selling at rupees 24 for a dozen. So dozen means 12. Okay, remember this, dozen means 12 pieces, right? So suppose bananas are selling at rupees 24 for 12 pieces. How will you know how much to pay for 6 bananas? So it's asking how much will you pay for 6 bananas. So what do we have to do? We must find the price of one banana first. All right. So in the question is given here, the price of the 24 bananas is price of cost of 12 bananas. Sorry, cost of 12 bananas is rupees 24. It's given, right? Why 12? Because it's given dozen. All right, so we can find out the cost of one banana now. So cost of one banana, cost of one banana will be 24 divided by 12, because it is given cost of 12 bananas is rupees 24. So we'll divide the 24 by 12. So you can always cancel this. Let's try dividing by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24, again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So you're getting 2. So the cost of one banana, we have found out that it is rupees 2. So now you can find out the cost of 6 bananas. The question is asking how much will you pay for 6 bananas, right? So cost of 6 bananas is equal to how many bananas? 6 bananas, and we have multiplied by, we have found out the cost of one banana is how much? Rupees 2. So multiply by 2. So 6 into 2, we are getting 12. All right, so rupees 12 will be the cost of 6 bananas. So this is how you do the unitary method. Okay, you always find out the cost of one, then afterwards you can find out the cost of many. Okay, any number of items. Okay, okay, so now I've done some example solves here. If you just look at here, example 2, 7 bags of same size together weighs 140 kg. So it's saying 7 bags laga weight to 140 kg ase. How much will be the weight of one bag? So it's given here, it's given in the question, weight of 7 bags is how much? 140 kg. So what do? We first find out, okay, the question is asking how much will be the weight of one bag. So to find out the weight of one bag, we simply divide this 140 by 7. Okay, so therefore weight of one bag is equal to 140 divided by 7, and after division we are getting 20 kg. We have already done multiplication and division in previous classes, so you should be able to do this. Okay, so now you have found out the weight of one bag. So now let us look at example 3. Example 3, eggs cost rupees 60 per dozen. See, so dozen means 12, so it's saying rupees 60 per 12 piece. That is what it is saying. Okay, so how much will 18 eggs cost? So it's given here in the question, cost of 12 eggs is rupees 60. Why 12? Because it's given dozen. Okay, so what do you do now? Since this is called the unitary method, you always find out the cost of one first. Okay, so cost of one egg is, what do? We do division first. So the 60 divided by 12. So 60 divided by 12 is cost of one egg. We are getting rupees 5. All right, so now you can find out the cost of any number of eggs. Okay, so but the question is asking how much will 18 eggs cost. So therefore cost of 18 eggs is equal to, now we will do multiplication. Okay, first we did division, right? So now we'll do multiplication. Cost of 18 eggs equal to this 18 into this 5. Okay, the cost of one egg. So we are multiplying these two numbers. So 18 into 5, we are getting rupees 90. So this is how you find the cost of the price of any number of items by unitary method. We first find out the cost of one, the weight of one, like that. Okay, so this is unitary method, and I hope you'll be able to do the homeworks I've given in the WhatsApp group. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can always again text me and ask me where you find difficulties. Okay, thank you.